warm welcome to everyone to our free information about our forex trading academy and our course at Isisekelo Capital Markets. My name is TSM Gozo. I'm the head CEO of the Capital Markets Academy. Because of distance, we are going to be implementing this method as well to communicate to our valued interested customers and partners around through these platforms, social platforms. Right, without wasting much of your time and data, I just want to quickly present what we do for those who are interested to join us. Before you join us, get to know what you are joining. All right, so where is the company? We are in Bloemfontein, Johannesburg, and that's our business address. And this program is for everyone, actually starting from the high school graduates right through every class. As long as you are of age, it doesn't matter your current economical situation, level of education, or anything. Okay, so this is for everybody. Our main aim is to empower and give skills, support entrepreneurs, give financial freedom, and participate in wealth creation, elimination of poverty, unemployment, and income inequalities. And as I have said, the population group that can benefit from this forex trading is actually everybody, from university, college students, unemployed, middle class, wealth individuals. Everyone is welcome. All right, but why trade forex? Why invite people to train how to trade forex? Number one, the big one, there is no other business that has a lot of money than in forex. Every 24 hours, the banks, they offer us averagely $5 trillion every 24 hours. So if you have the skill, you can as well tap into the market and get what is yours. And the market does not sleep 24 hours, ladies and gentlemen. 24 hours, Monday to Friday. After midnight, the market closes. Only two currencies, but other things like cryptocurrencies and indices, some of indices like volatility indices, they will be online. All right, you can be trading during the weekend, during holidays. Wow. And why trade forex? You can do this anywhere, at home, at school, everywhere, as long as you have internet and your gadget. There is no license required. There is nobody who should be bossing you around. This is financial freedom. Your knowledge is your only license. You only need a regulated broker to work with, but I'll talk about that in detail. All right, is it possible to make money in forex? Yes, it's very, very possible. I always do my record. Let me just cross over just to show you. Let me just pause. All right, I always do my recordings when I'm trading. Just see the master at work here. I was just during the weekend just trading volatility. Just check the master. It's possible to make money. All right, don't be fooled. This one I was taking my profits. That's not what I want. Wait for it. Oh no, I don't want this one. I want you to see me trading. Okay, I think it's this one. Yes, I was busy trading. All right, let's check it out. You can't do this by gambling. You need to get the skill. All right, whether you're on MT4, you are on a web app, you're on MT5, you are trading whatever. Now look at the success rate. Just look at the success rate. Just in a day, that was today. That day, And I mean, this is exciting. No boss, no license required. I'm at home, all right, and I was doing this. Right, let me go back to our training. This is not part of what we are doing, right? So the question is it possible to make money in forex? All right, and you'll see it further as I'll be presenting our trading tool. That yes, it's very possible. Okay, I hope I'm recording. All right, so we were talking about yes, it's very possible if you have the right acquired knowledge. Get this, you need to acquire the knowledge. You need to go in some form of training. Don't go to Facebook, YouTube and Google and tell yourself that you've trained. All right, you can make it for a certain time, but you need a thorough training. I'm teaching advanced traders who have more years than me in the market, but because they never went through a proper channel to get trained, they always come back to sit down and be equipped, right? So you need the skills and the applicable relevant technical strategies, tools, and platforms. All right. So this is the easiest way to achieve financial freedom, regardless of your current economic status, even level of education. Okay. What you must know is that this requires some form of investment, or what I call capital. You can't start a business without capital. This is business. Most people think trading is something. No, this is buying and selling of commodities and currencies. It's a business. So you need some form of capital. It can be $50, $100, $200, $1,000, $15,000. It depends. The less you have, the less profit you make. The bigger the money you have, the bigger returns you get. It's as simple as that. All right. So you need practice of proper risk management. If you have $50, you need to know how to protect your $50 in the market and get profit out of it. All right. But is it possible to lose money in forex? Yes, it's very possible. I'll tell you, if you lack the right knowledge, if you lack the skills, if you don't have the technical strategies, and you are busy gambling in the market, I wish I could cross over to someone's account who called me in to say, can you help me? Give me his login details. I went into his account. I mean, the person is losing money. And I'm telling this person, come and train first. She's busy. She's busy gambling in the market. Yeah, so you can lose money. I mean, you can lose money if you're not equipped, right? And also, if you can't, if you can't apply the risk strategy to your capital, you can lose your capital. Even if your psychology as well is not okay, you can lose your capital. So it all goes back to training. All right, it's possible also to fall into various this business is one of those business with a lot of scams around, just like Bitcoin. A lot of scams around. Not that Bitcoin is a scam, not that forex is a scam. Forex is a business that is being offered by central banks of the world, but they are individuals who organize themselves to pounce on those who don't have awareness, those who don't have knowledge about this business, and you get scammed. I got scammed several times when I was getting into this business without knowing what I was doing, where I was supposed to go, to do what I didn't know. And the people came as if they were helping me out and they were scamming me. Some go even to create some companies to scam you. All right, so I'll talk about that. But it's very possible if you are making wrong choices. Even brokers, I'm talking about companies registering themselves, getting licenses to scam you. I mean, here in South Africa, we have companies like Inward Markets. They call themselves a broker. But if you go to FSB to find out if their license is real, It's real for insurance, not for brokerage. So a lot of things happen. But forex, as forex market, is not a scam. This is pure business. But we'll talk about scams later. Now, what are the basic requirements for one to do forex? I told you, you need the knowledge. You need brokers that are regulated and reputable. You need to fund your account with some capital. On top of that, I told you, you need a laptop, tablet, smartphone, whatever you're going to be using, as long as it can connect to an online platform. All right. And they require you to have a broker representing you, and your broker will need to know you. They call it KYC, know your customer policy. They are required to do that. So they will require your driver license or your ID or your passport, and they want to verify your name with the address you gave them. So they might want to see your full name and your address on your bank statement, any bank statement, as long as within the 3 months current period. It doesn't need to have money. They just want to know you and your address. You can even use your water bill or your electricity bill, right? Anything that is officially documented. If you don't have this, just contact me. I'll help you out. It's a 2-minute thing, actually, right? But why do banks want us to have brokers? What are these brokers? How can I find the right selection of brokers to use? We teach you, actually, this is actually a proper lesson about brokers when you decide to train. So yeah, we have these brokers to represent you to this interbank market. You can't call the Reserve Bank, the UK Bank, Bank of England, to say, my name is so and so, I have $10 here in South Africa, I would like to invest. You can't do that, although they are the ones giving you forex market. Who does that? Is the broker. So you need to be registered with a broker, okay? And these brokers, they give you the platform. You download it, acts as a window to see your trades, to see the prices and everything. Mind you, the broker is responsible to assist you in your withdrawals, and they handle your deposits and all that, but we will teach you in detail about that. Then there are also different types of brokers. I don't know if I can tell you right now, but okay. Why different brokers? Look at this. We have these brokers, they call themselves dealer desk. The name scares me. They deal on the desk. What it means is that they have liquidity or money to pay you if you make profit, meaning they don't connect you to the actual interbank market. They give you the prices from the market, yes, but when you are trading on their platform. If you lose money, you are losing that money to them. If you are making money, they are the ones paying you. But a dealer desk is scary because they are allowed through their license to trade forex, so they can trade against you, because what they want is the more you lose to them, the more they get rich. There are also some brokers called market makers, some call them market movers. Anyhow, these also don't connect you to the market. They have good capital to finish withdrawals requested by their customers after making profit. I can give a lot of examples. Plus 500 IQ options. I can go on and on. Hot forex, all this. These are market makers. They are the ones who provide you the prices. So if they are a market maker, they can push a price temporarily out of bounds just to kick you out. They make money as well if you lose money. If you get profit and you are continuously withdrawing, they are the ones losing. So I really don't like this relationship. Unless you are very, very good with your skills, then you can be like me. I trade on market maker, trade brokers. I have an account with plus 500. I will show you, actually. And also We have the good brokers like my partners, blueberrymarkets.com. Blueberry Markets is an ECN broker like Paperstone, like I can go on and on and on. But these guys, they don't make money when you are losing money. No, they make money when you are making money as well. That's why they support you and they connect you to the actual market. When you are making money, you are taking the money from that average $5 trillion I talked about. If you are losing money, well, you are giving the banks your money. So these are called STP type of brokers, ECN type of broker. Anyway, we'll teach you when you decide to come for your training. All right. Now, let's talk about schemes in forex trading and how to identify and avoid them. I told you about knowledge, awareness. If you have the knowledge, no one can scam you. Deposits and withdrawals are done between you and you alone, your bank account, to or from your broker. No one else should be assisting you with your deposits or with your withdrawals. That's where people get scammed. Okay, so no one should be intervening there. No third parties between your deposit and withdrawals. Even if you come to me, don't have the power to hold your money. Who deposits money in your broker is you. Who withdraws money from your broker to your account is only you. So no scam. But if you go the other way around, that's where there are a lot of scams. Brokers that are not licensed, please, this is hurting. If you look at some brokers around, like I gave you in what markets just now, it's one of those examples. So we teach you how and which broker you must select. Then let's talk about individuals and some small companies. They call themselves signal providers. These guys, they say they are good in forex, stocks, and what they can give you profitable signals. So you pay them for them to give you a trading idea. I don't know. I prefer you get your skill, get sorted out. Don't buy signals, because there's no guarantee your signals that you are buying are profitable. Well, there are others, but what if they stop giving you the service? You are paralyzed. You won't trade anymore. So better you get the skill and you open up your own company providing signals, entrepreneurship, right? Fund managers are those people who say we are good with this skill. Give us your money, we will trade for you. Well, they have to be licensed, authorized in a way. Otherwise, if they lose your money, unless you agree to say, well, the market is risky, you lose, it's fine. But if you make it, we share 50-50 or 20-80, whatever it is. But still, we prefer to teach you, and you do this alone than trusting somebody with your money. All right? Which is better? You judge. Right. There are some colleges around and trainers who come by night and say, yo, there's a seminar in Durban, pay up. And you pay, you go there, then the content is nothing. But you have paid. You've been scammed. So even us, we don't allow you to just pay us before this presentation. This presentation is done face to face, but I'm just doing it online because of some people who don't have time to just come and sit for 2 hours. So we don't just say pay up. We tell you like this. You decide now, after you know what you're going to be training, then you do that. All right. So avoid scams. Don't just go anywhere to get scammed. All right. So how much can it cost me in order to become a forex trader, a seasoned forex trader? Well, it can be very, very expensive, to be honest with you. I just did a research. I saw actually recently universities like University of South Africa and others here in South Africa and around the world are doing this forex theory, the very basic as a subject. You can't go and say I want to register for a bachelor's degree in forex. There's nothing. Okay, they teach you as a subject for a week or so, but then the content I checked, it's just too theoretical. You won't trade forex, but the cost will be the cost of that degree. Then around you can spend from 3k to 150k, somewhere there. Just check out our competitors. I just checked in the market some few. I saw this forex training Tosio they are charging anything from 23,000 rands to 50,000 rands. Wow. Yeah, wow. Wow. But they train good, they really good, they are really good, just like us. But that money really is just something else. Then Forex Kings, they are training from 3.5, the very basic package that you will need to pay them after that for support and extra things. And then they go up to 9.7k. You can check their websites, they are just there. I'm not hiding anything. Forex Varsity, please check as well. I couldn't get their prices. I tried to call them, the support is not that good. And Empire Forex, I saw their syllabus not good at all, but at least they are cheap. Forex trading from 3k to 6k depending on the package. And then Forex College, they say they are the best, and I checked their market, I mean their courses. Yeah, pretty good, but look at the price, 150k. Well, what about us? Shocking. This is just 2,700 once off. And shocking further, two equal payments, 1.450 that you need to pay the other one on your going to your fourth lesson. This is amazing. Plus, hear this, free full access to trading support, lifetime, and plus another thing, another plus, proactive technical analysis trading. So I'm going to show you this. People think this is something, some indicator or something. This is something we built for 4 months together with some partners in the US. So this thing you can only find with us or with our partners in the US. And with our partners in the US, of course, it's more expensive because they are not in the empowering business. All right, let's see our packages. We have different packages of our training package. We just spoke about the student package. The student package, we don't offer 3 things. We don't offer security, we don't offer parking, we don't offer refreshments during your training. Why? Because it's normally close to the university. That's why it's called student package. We're in Braamfontein, we're in Pretoria, we're in Durban, close to university. So you just walk in and you train. That's why it's cheap. Then the upmarket package is when you want refreshments, you want comfortability, you want security, and you want to be in a hotel, a nice place. So because of the expenses we incur, 5,000 becomes your charge. Still, we are the cheapest. The contents are the same, mind you. And on top of that, now we are open to companies, small businesses, big companies who would want to call us to their premises. They offer us their training facilities. You can contact me or our offices anytime. We can arrange that. And if you want to negotiate the price for that 5k, since it's your premises and everything, we can design a combo package for you, but that is a personalized one. Now the big one is the 20,000 once off 2 payments if you want, of 10.8 each, to make it 20 something k. But the contents are the same. But here you are saying I want to do it executively, one-on-one. You come to where I am, in my house, in my office. It depends with you. So now our training is this advantage. It's unique, and we are far better than our competitors in terms of quality and pricing. And we offer you lifetime support. and we offer you something that no one else can offer you. I'm gonna show you just now. And we want to create successful independent traders. Some guys who are doing this, they do this, then you need to depend on them all your life, as we give you everything for you to stand on your own. That's the difference. And then we also have this partnership program that no one has. We give, oh, now it's 11%. We increase another percent because we are so happy. We are trying to help the students to get money, man. So if you invite somebody on the package of 2.7, we are paying you 300 rands. If you invite somebody who's going to pay us for the 5,000 package, we give you over 500 rands per person. If you invite somebody who's going to call us for the executive package, we are offering you 2,000 plus in rands cash. Our program is powerful, affordable, top quality training, and the academy support is ongoing and it's lifetime. I can go on and on and on. Now let us talk about the big, that is where you really are bulging your eyes to hear now and see what I've been talking about. This proactive technical analysis trading software, is it a robot? If it is not a robot, then what does it do? Does it expire? My answer to that is that no, ladies and gentlemen, this is not a robot. It doesn't expire. It's user friendly. Instead of talking, why can't we just cross over just a few minutes and I will show you how it works. See me in a moment at work on my workstation. Alright, welcome, and now check me right now. Yeah, fast forward this. Fast forward. I'm just fast forwarding. Maybe So you see the success rate now. I'm just showing you the trades. Okay, this is my plus 500 I was telling you about. You can use this tool on an MT4 and take whatever you're doing on MT4 and apply it to any other broker. I mean, these prices are the same in the market, all right? So perfect. I mean, you can destroy any broker. Okay. So anyway, you see that. Let us go back now. Okay, welcome back. Well, it's not really allowed to show people your live account and showing them how much you are making. Regulations, right? It's not really permitted, but there are high super questions as people don't really believe that we are doing what we are doing right now. So I was just compelled to show you a bit, right? Just a bit. But that is how our super software works. Now, this is now the syllabus, the basic syllabus that we are working on to giving you this training. Amazingly, we are bombarding our learners with information, right? Yeah, I can see, you can take a picture. Subject to changes. Yeah, we always improve, seeing the needs of our learners. All right, lesson 3, all this will be now showing you the secrets about the forex market. Amazing. From lesson 4, we are now doing hands-on workshops, serious practicals. On top of that, psychology and risk. Amazing. So it's now what it's up to you. I spoke about the partnership already. If you invite somebody, so we are there in Pretoria, Johannesburg, Midrand, Captain Park, Durban, you can arrange to have us at any time. Okay, we can dislocate ourselves, but in Johannesburg, that's where our offices are, and that's why it's cheap to train in Johannesburg. So you can go to our website, choose what you want to do with us. You want to invite people and get money out of it, register your partnership with us, or you want to train, you want to choose a student package, you can also tell us, or whatever package you want, or you can enter into contact with me. My WhatsApp, you know it, 078-116-7170. My email is tavonag, TAVONAG, @isisekelo.group.co.za, and you can find me on Facebook as Tavona Boss, TAVONA space Boss, BOSS. So you can also take our details on our website, call the office to find out and everything. Otherwise, we'll be waiting.